The last question, I guess, that we'll ask before we get to some viewer questions that we have is Bryant wants to ask a question about the path to healing.
Yeah, Gurudev, I think this is a good transition. What is the greatest path of healing and ascension? And what is the importance of choosing a path?
Healing is because we are concerned about the body-mind complex, which time and again has wear and tear due to situations, circumstances, and events that has a glare on it. But in reality, if you go into the very core of your existence, you are pure light. So you heal yourself very well. And the path is reaching out, getting out of this cobweb that we have woven around us and going to the central core of our existence. And this is what is the importance of path. In the path, what happens, certain things you can do it yourself. Certain things you need help. Like you go to a spa. What do? You just lie on the table and the masseur takes over and they do the rest of the work to keep your body fit. Correct? In the same way, yeah. Suppose you are a doctor, you can't do an operation on yourself. You need someone's help. So community, a group, a path will all aid to you to progress well in your path. So sitting alone and meditating is very good. It's needed. But sometimes if you sit in a group of 10, 15, 20 together and if you meditate, you will see there is a qualitative difference because there is a collective consciousness which is impacting your individual consciousness also. So this is why Lord Buddha said, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. He said the Sangha means the group, communion, where you all sit with others and start meditating and with the same wavelength of mind, of wisdom, of knowledge, of compassion. That creates a higher energy around you and which in turn help your own evolution. So these are all part of our life. So being in a path is very, very useful, especially in the turbulent times when you don't know what to do, when you are in bigger confusion. Just that energy will uplift you. Yeah.